I'm just going to copy at random a paragraph here. So this is on bodily sickness from the looks of it. Let's copy that into a Word document, just because that's simple and easy. Okay, so here this is in a Word document. Now you'll immediately notice there's one downside, and that is that there is still a column formatting. This is a pain in the neck, because every time you copy from a PDF, it has line breaks, it has weird formatting issues from the OCR, the optical character recognition that was done on the PDF. It has typos, and it's just not ideal. Like, you see the spaces here, there's just a lot of stuff going on. And to go through and to clean this up would take a while. Well, enter an app called Text Workflow. Text Workflow. Alright, here is their website. I'm not even going to try to read or pronounce that, but it's this link here. You find the app. It's in the Mac App Store. Again, Text Workflow. And this is just a great app for the following reason. I have in this app a number of automatic replacements or fixes, and I can trigger these with a shortcut. So I can take this text on the one hand and I can paste it into my app, and then I can find the type of modification I want to make to it. You can create some pretty advanced kinds of fixes. I have one here called Column Paragraph Fixer. I paste text into here, I throw it in here, it fixes the column. It does a lot of things. I have an OCR fixer that's way more advanced as well. So I have a little shortcut set up that I can trigger when I have text selected. And it pulls up this right here, and I can say Column Paragraph Fixer. Done. And it will immediately fix it, and I can paste in the correction. Another thing it will do is I can fix up little typos, like over here it says natures. I can fix that very quickly and easily by doing that again, and this time choosing the OCR fixer that I have here. So OCR fixer, hit enter, done. It replaces the text. All of those little issues are resolved. Now there's one or two things I haven't been able to figure out how to fix, like a quotation mark before a sentence, but by and large it fixes a lot of the other issues, and that's great because it saves me having to go through and make 100 little corrections to a source I'm going to use later. And I should also add that when I'm using Devonthink and I copy something like this in the first place, let's say I copy this here, I can also copy it with the source link. So if I were to go in again, paste it in here, it has a source link that if I click on it, it will open back into Devonthink in the file to the very paragraph I was working with. So that's basically what I do here as I'm working through things. I go through and I basically make sure that I have my backlinks for my research. So that's how I use Text Workflow. It's a great little tool. It's very niche, it's very specific, but man, does it make a difference.